When one speaks about the culture of the people, interest is in the arts, food, music, language, and even cultural dance forms. Historic and traditional dance goes back hundreds and thousands of years. In Nigeria, dance is one of the best art forms for expression. Nigeria, as a country with diverse culture, is blessed with lots of music and amazing dance steps. People dance in order to celebrate, commemorate, or even to prepare for some rituals. Nigeria has varieties of folk and tribal dance in regions across the country, performed as a form of emotional expression, social interaction, or exercise, and these dances are sometimes used to express ideas or tell stories. Today on OU Top 10, I will be sharing with you guys top 10 most popular traditional dance in Nigeria. If you are new to my channel, kindly like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Number 10, the Ekombi dance. The Ekombi dance is a traditional dance among the Efik people of Cross River State and the Bibio people of Akwa Ibom State. The Ekombi dance movement are derived from the motion of the ocean. It is a graceful dance with incredible footwork. Ekombi shows a woman's beauty and femininity. The dance is also a good platform to choose a partner for marriage. Number 9, the Ogene dance. The Ogene dance is a traditional energy dance among the Igbo people of Enugu State. This dance form requires an incredible footwork. Although known as Egwu Ogene, Ogene is not the only musical instrument that produces the melody that the Ogene dancers dance to. Other instruments that gives Ogene music its melodious tone include Ogene, Oja, Egba, Abia, Oyo, Ichaka, Udu, and sometimes Ekwe. Number 8, the Swange dance. The Swange dance is a traditional dance routine performed by the Tiv people of northern Nigeria. The Swange dance, often described as a boneless dance, is purely a recreational dance move performed by men and women alike. The dance is characterized by fluid and rhythmic movements. Number 7. The Gese dance. The Gese dance is an ethnic dance that has its source from the religious and social activities of the Yoruba people of Western Nigeria. Gese has a complex features as played on the drums and realized aesthetically in the dance movement. Number 6. The Ipiligbo dance. The Ipiligbo dance is a popular war dance performed in several parts of eastern Nigeria. The dance, which has its roots from the town of Ohogwo in Abia State, is performed by a group of muscular men in commemoration of their strength in fighting and winning war in the olden days. Number 5. Nkwa Umagbo. Nkwa Umagbo is a maiden dance performed mainly by young maidens from eastern part of Nigeria. Although this maiden dance has many names depending on the community, Nkwa Umagbo is more popular in Ebonyi State, where the maiden dance got its name Nkwa Umagbo from. Number 4. The Bata dance. The Bata dance is the most popular and entertaining traditional dance among the Yoruba people of southwestern Nigeria. The Bata dance can be performed as a part of festival or dance performance used to dethrone or enthrone a king, or at a cultural festival. Although the Bata dance has become a national dance, it is said to be a ritual dance move, mostly performed among the Sango worshippers. Number 3. The Koroso dance. The Koroso dance is a traditional athletic dance popular among the northern Nigerian ethnic group, especially the Hausa and the Fulani people. The Koroso dance, which has been performed for centuries, originates from the city of Kano and took its name from the rattle bead called Koroso. Number 2. The Shorro dance. The Shorro dance is a traditional dance from the northern part of Nigeria, mainly among the Fulani and Hausa people. Shorro dance is categorized as a dance of rite of passage from adulthood into married life, where the most fit man in the community takes the most beautiful lady in the community as his bride. Number 1. Atilogwu dance. Atilogwu dance is one of the most prominent national dance in Nigeria. The Atilogwu dance is a traditional spirited youth dance from the Igbo ethnic group of Nigeria. Atilogwu is one of the most entertaining Igbo dance that focuses on vigorous body movement and often include acrobatic flips, high jump, and so on. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in my next episode.